Do you want more revenue? The number one request I get as an executive business coach is, how can I get more revenue for my business? That of course leads to more profit. And with increased profit, you get more freedom and can achieve your personal objectives. You could get sales training, but from a business perspective, it's more than just being better at sales. In fact, there are 3 strategies you need to work on at a business level, and there are 7 additional tips and tricks that you can utilize to greatly increase your revenue. I've taken the years of running multiple successful businesses and the experience of working with hundreds of successful businesses as their business coach, and I've summed it all up for you. This is not some expensive multi-hour course. This is succinct, accurate, and to the point. It's a worksheet and it's only 10 pages. And it's linked to 40 minutes of audio accompaniment, so you can work through the worksheet at your own pace and build your own unique solutions that will deliver results. In short, this is the easiest, fastest, and most affordable way to increase your revenue for your business. Oh, and you don't even know how affordable it is. Click now to find out. You're still here, okay? It comes with a free guarantee, so you have nothing to lose and everything to gain, professionally and personally. Seriously, check it out. I wish you passion, profit, and happiness. And I'm really going now.